Hello guy, we are you in time and thank you like we were so watched figuring out this DeWalt DCS577X1 FLEXVOLT 60 volts max which we've going to be showing in this video. Since its inception in 1923, the American-made DeWalt is making quality power tools and hand tools for the manufacturing, construction, and woodwork industry. In 1992 when Black & Decker planned to expand their product and distribution range series of heavy-duty tools by using the DeWalt name. When Black & Decker surveyed the American market before its reintroduction, 70% of the tradesmen recognized the name DeWalt in an instant. The traditional and typical black and yellow DeWalt design is helping to gain business all over the market and generate enormous revenues for Black & Decker as it is associated with safety equipment and advertised on display. The FLEXVOLT 60 volts max 7 to 1/4 inch cordless worm drive style saw with FLEXVOLT 20 volts/60 volts max 9.0 Ah battery is the product you should possess when you are looking for freedom for a corded saw and a tool with long-lasting battery life. The blade is aligned to the left of the motor, and the handle is at the rear to deliver the most effective line of sight when cutting. The electronic brake immediately stops the blade after the trigger is released. The FLEXVOLT bevel capacity is 53 degrees with stops at 45 degrees and 22.5 degrees. The saw makes smooth, precise cuts and delivers long runtime with a durable, high-grade magnesium shoe and a battery saving the brushless motor. This cordless worm drive style saw cuts to a depth of 2 7/16 inches at 90 degrees. The rafter hook, which is included with the kit, makes it easy to hang the tool on the job site, making it safer for everyone. This tool is also Tool Connect tag ready, which means you can locate your machine anywhere in the job site via your smartphone, so you can easily track it by attaching a Tool Connect tag. The tags are sold separately. The FLEXVOLT 60 volts max 7 1/4 worm style saw kit is best suited for wood cutting applications such as oriented strand board, OSB, plywood, hardwoods, dimensional lumber, and flooring. The tool is primarily farming saw such professional framers, concrete formers, carpenters, and general contractors can uplift their productivity and save precious time with this tool. DeWalt high-powered cordless tools come standard with a 3-year limited warranty, 1-year free service contract, and 90-day money-back guarantee. As we opened the package, the swift and eye-catching design impressed us on an enormous scale. The comfortable bag was boon to carry this cordless tool. As we opened the kit, we found a convenient charging station along with a 9.0 Ah battery. The product is workable, dependable, and productive. The lightweight bag is easy to handle and use. The saw feels a bit heavy when you first pick it up, but after using it twice or thrice, it is so well balanced that you don't feel it. When we examine the DCS577X1 20 volts/60 volts max FLEXVOLT 9.0 Ah battery, it was not heavyweight and in perfect shape. Every specification, such as the 60 volts max and the 9.0 Ah battery, was mentioned on the battery in bold letters, which makes it a new user-friendly product. The user will have a clear understanding of how to insert the battery and to use the tool for how long of a duration. We were excited to see the FLEXVOLT carbide-tipped 7/2 circular saw blade. Handy, easy to use, and pinpoint accuracy of the saw saves us time and gives a smooth finish to the targeted surface. Upon asking a friend, he said he had been ripping oak faster and more accurately than my fellow friend who has a worm drive circular saw. When we tried the brakes on the blade, it was one of the most potent brakes we have ever encountered. Everything including the FLEXVOLT carbide-tipped 7/2 circular saw blade is worth the investment and highly productive. Using this blade will leave less dust, making the wood more usable. We can consistently cut wood almost all day on just the one battery. We were quite excited to review the DeWalt DCS577X1. It is the second 60 volts FLEXVOLT saw that we have checked out and it has been impressive. The company did an excellent job in the design and made sure that the users don't face any problem while using the machine. We were happy with the overall functioning and features that the company has provided. Yes, there are some flaws that we have mentioned earlier, but other than that, it is indeed a mighty worm saw that would help you perform almost every job on the job site. The battery support is one of the best things about the machine. It can be a little bulky for some users, but handling can be managed after using it for 1 or 2 times. We have reviewed many saws on our platform, and this one has stood on our expectations. In this review, we have mentioned every little detail that you need to know before purchasing this tool. Our verdict would be to consider buying the saw, as you won't find any better in this price. We hope all your questions are answered and you might have enjoyed reading about the tool, just like we have fun while working and writing. Wish to return soon with some more reviews.